669. This one looks like the G. This one looks like the E backwards. So is the E world backwards? Is the G forward, the E world backwards? When we put two numbers down, like we've done before, I put two numbers this way, and then I put the other two numbers this way, and then I put them upside down. That's the way it works. You see, 1 and 1. Okay, now what we're going to understand is 2. If you're looking at certain items as in reflection, you put numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When 1 and 1 meet, the area will be void. You're talking about the same number. That void will always be on the angle, right? This will show you above numbers. This will show you below numbers. It also can show you the corner of a building. When you go down, it means second. Why? Because you're one of the numbers here going down. The number that goes across, let's say it was horse racing. If the number 1 wins and the number 3, okay, comes second, you put the 3 here, you find the row all at number 3 over here. Now, it doesn't matter who wins. It's always straight across, and it'll always be with the 3. Now, if you put the 3 over here, okay, it'll be this line over here. Any one of these down in this area will be the winner with this horse over here. So this is down and across. This is that expression. Now, what I want to do over here is understand where 0, 1 come into effect. 0, 1, 4, and 7, where 0 comes into the effects, we cannot change this world. This is the worlds I live in. Okay, this is my gateway. This is the pass. The 4 balls to pass, the 1 spirit that's passing, the 1 times 4, you're passing through the sun into the 6 and 8 world. Communication, 9 lives of the cat. 3, 6, 9. 0 comes in. In this area, okay, we get 4 plus and minus 3. 33 comes into this area. Okay, and in this area over here, we get plus or minus 6. Okay, 66. Over here in all of them, okay, we never get a minus 9 because there's no such thing as minus 9 from 7. That's why maybe I should be starting from the next level. If I start this from the next level, it will be 10. But now we have to start from actually the next level where the level is 30. The next level to this one would be 30. Then it would be 33. And then it would be, then it would be 31. Did I say that right? The next level we start would be 30, 60, 90. 30 plus 7 equals 1. 30 plus 7 equals 1. 60, okay, plus 4 equals 1. 90 plus 10 equals 1. So we get 10, 40, and 70 to create this. But let's just continue on and let me not mix you up. So we get 3 and 1 is 4, 3 and 6 and 1 is 7, 9 and 1 is 10 is 1 again. All zeros will equal to the same number. All these is what would create this. 33, 36. These are all through moons, all zeros. Okay. In 2, 5, and 8, it'll be 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8 plus 2 is 10 is 1 again. So we get how many times to 1? 8 and 1 will create the 1. Inside of 5, minus 1 will create 4. Minus 4 will create 1. IT system inside the sun, created by 2, 5, and 8. 15, 18, and 15. 8 will become minus 1, minus 4, minus 7, and it'll be positive 2, 5, and 8. Minus 1 plus 2, minus 4. Minus 4 equals to 4, plus 8. Minus 4 equals to 4. Minus 4 from 8 equals to 4, and plus 5 of 8 equals to 13. 1 and 3 is 4. All of these will end up equaling to 13 for 4. All of these, okay, all of these, if you want to add up to 8, you get 8 and 8 is 16, 1 and 6 is 7. So here we have minus 1, here we have minus 1 and 4. So we'll be minusing 1, we'll be minusing 5, and we'll be minusing 3. A, C, E. Or OC if you want. Or com, or .com. .com. Creation, altered current in Mars. Electric company, any craps. All connected to 11 and 12, and we're barring the 66. What does it mean to Bar a number. Do you bar it this way or do you bar it this way? But it's a barred number. R-A-B. R-A-B. Okay. And R. This will be 1 and 8. If it's 1 and 8, we have to understand that it's the beta world over here. It's inside creation because A comes with B. That's the way it works. That's automatic. And R is a creation of the mirror of B. 2 times 2 equals 4. The creation of this one is 4 times 4 plus 2. Remember how it works. We have the leap year, right? If we have the leap year, it'd be 3 times whatever number you want. So let's say 3 times 14 is 42. Right? Or how about 3 times 14? 3 by 4 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 3 by 1 is 3. Boom. Your DNA, the IT system of sun, comes in the word mass. 33, 19, 20, and 13. 33, artificial intelligence spirit. Use it as you wish. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10 equals to 1 again. So 2 and 7 win a big red sun. On Earth, matrix. 85 matrix. 85 silver. 58 is also the representation of 1 and 2. 1 in numeric value 110. The series of 1 company equals to 58. The reduction of 58, okay, is 47. It'll always be a difference of 9. 47, 30, 47, 38. So we know this is connected to the church. 47, let me see this again. 58, 49, 40. Sorry, let's just do it this way. 13, 13, and 0, 4. This is altered current. This will create 3 and 4 the DC world, or 3/4 of anything. Outside of this is 25, and that's your split in Earth. Here you have 2. Here you have 7 in the negative world. Here you have 15 and 6. Here you have 2, 7, and 6, 1, 5, and 3. And this one you have 0, 0, 0. In this one, none of them move. So none of them are in the negativity. They're in between. This is the one in between. And it's in between which numbers? 3, 1, 3. In between. 4, 1, 4. In between. 7, 1, 7. In between. This will create 86 communication. Add them up down to 14. One more time. The green ball in pool. I think that's all we're going to do right now. Number 23 will create all my 44s. I'm a little bit behind in stuff. I'm not sure about a few things, but when we create 58, the reduction of 58 equals to the gateway and the word 8. And that gateway is Uranus. And Uranus is located in 2 planets, in the 7th planet and the 6th planet, which creates your 2, 7, and 6. Right over here, Venus creates 2, 7, and 6. It's the half-life. Why? 1 in between 6 is 2.5, right? 1 and 6 is the opposite, and it is the only 7 created, the sun and the moon. Earth, 25. Why does it do that? Why do I say that? 25 equals to 1/4. 1 times 6, 1 plus 6 equals the spirit of 76, and it creates the X and the plus sign. So where the X will create your train tracks, and crossing over your train tracks on this angle means you're going over, right? If you're running 2 worlds, this angle shows the percentage sign, which is the key between 2 worlds. Here's your 6 and 9 coming together, and it shows your percentage sign, right? Or 2 eyes looking that way, right? You connect them together, you create these 7 and 6. It's very simple to create the 7 and 2 7s, and in cursive writing, that's what you look like. You got 7, the 6th letter, and the 1 letter. The 7 is going that way, the 6 is going that way as a letter, the other one going the other way as a number. Notice the way all the numbers are going that way? Boom, going both ways. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.